Hi, this is John from FlatCatGear. And I've been talking to one of my customers, and one of my customers says, hey John, how do you make a pizza? And I said, well, simplest thing to do is get a Bobcat system, use a 5-inch pan, and you can make a nice pizza there. And he said, well, here's the deal. I'm hiking the JMT trail next year, and I'm bringing along my mug. He goes, so I want to be able to do it on Snow Leopard, which is a small little pan. So I've been trying to do pizzas in the past, and it hasn't been working out. So I've decided I'm going to take another shot at it. So I'm taking on the challenge of seeing if I can make a pizza in a Snow Leopard system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the camera around here, and I'm going to show you up close what I'm going to do to make a pizza. So let's start off with the dough. Since you're making a pizza, everything about a pizza to me is about the crust. So this is actually a yeast spread. Yeast spreads are easy to make. If you're going to have pizza at night, mix water with your flour, salt, yeast mixture in the morning, put it in a Ziploc bag, and just let it rise through the day. By the time it's dinner time, it's going to be ready to use. The other thing is to shape this. It's either going to be a super deep dish pizza, because this is 3 inches by 3 inches, or it's going to be a vertical calzone. I haven't figured out yet until I get all the ingredients in there. But what you want to do is you want to wash your pot and make sure it's clean, because we're going to shape the dough on the outside of the pot. Now in the field, I would just use using vegetable oil. Okay. Next, I'm going to start off on my marinara. Now, we happened to make some marinara yesterday, so I'm going to use that. Now, if you're out backpacking, one of the things I found, this is really cool. This is a store here in the United States. This is Trader Joe's. This is tomato paste. It's a little tube. Tomato paste. It's a little over 4 ounces of tomato paste. I bring this, and I bring oregano, and I bring onions, salt and pepper, and I use this to make my sauce base. So these little tubes of tomato paste are really cool. So to this, I'm going to add mozzarella. So my mozzarella comes in the form of a string cheese. It's basically mozzarella. So mozzarella, and I am adding pepperoni. I'm going to mix that all up. The other thing to this, I'm going to add some chopped onions, because I like onions. You can add what other ingredients you want into it. So that is my basic pizza topping. All right. As you can see, I got my pizza ready to bake. And this is a stove I'm prototyping. For some of you ultralight waiters out there, it's a version of the Epicurean stove, weighs about 7 grams. All right, everything's good to go. We'll come back in about half an hour. Looks like I might have had too much bread dough. It's done. Let's go take a look inside. Well, it looks like I had too much dough. The pizza actually pushed the lid off. Let's see if we can remove it and see how it looks. There we go. There we go. Not too bad looking. So it's either a super deep dish pizza or a vertical calzone. I'll cut it in half and take a picture.